To take a walk on the loud side, then Daytona Beach is the place to be as the 82nd annual Bike Week rally gets underway.
I see what you did there. 500,000 motorcycle enthusiasts are expected in Central Florida over the next 10 days.
Daytona Bike Week. It's the first big rally of the year and celebrating its 82nd anniversary. It's one of those bucket list rallies for many riders. Enjoy it now because one of the iconic venues for the rally may be coming to an end. Hang out and find out which one is on the verge of ending. Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. If you're already a member of the nation, thank you and hope to catch you on the highways. If you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's the start of rally season and Daytona Beach Bike Week is the place to be. As the news said at the beginning, they're expecting over 500,000 bikers. Bike Week isn't just one location, and you have many places and vendors to go check out if you happen to go to Daytona. But there are primarily three big stops everyone needs to go to. You've got Main Street, of course, Destination Daytona, and the Speedway. But one of those is going to have a big change coming up, a potential big change. Guess which one? Well, it's going to change a lot of things, and it's Main Street. Here's what's happening. The CTO Realty Group just bought up about 20 businesses there on Daytona Beach Main Street, and it's talking about making some huge changes. Many of the non-biker businesses on the Daytona Main Street have wanted to get rid of the rally and the bikers for quite a while. They want more of a regular residential restaurant and destination place to go throughout the year. So they've been trying to push it out. This has happened at many rallies. Happened at Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue in Fayetteville, which has now been pushed out to Rogers, Arkansas. But what's happened is here's some of the businesses that have been purchased. So the bank, which was a former building that was been converted to a live music venue on Main Street, that's been purchased. The Dirty Harry's is one of the bars that's been purchased. That can be changing. You've got the Full Moon Saloon, which is going to be purchased. So the longtime owner of those businesses, Teresa Doan, she sold them all in January. So don't expect that these businesses are going to stay around for the bikers. So next year could be a huge change, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get pushed out a little bit. So if you didn't make it there this year and are planning to go to Daytona Beach next year, just be prepared. Main Street may be just a little bit different. Oh, and let me give you some friendly advice. If you plan on going to Daytona, don't bring your motorcycle where you've got the sanded off VIN numbers on your stolen bike. The cops are everywhere, and that's an easy giveaway. These poor guys ended up getting stopped. Oh, and also ended up on a national TV program called On Patrol Live, so everybody got to see them get arrested. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode and found it entertaining and informative. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. Just hit that subscribe button. Hope to catch you next week, and don't forget, ride safe.